Many sports embody the values Pope Leo has highlighted this month.
Well, football is a great opportunity for us to be together, to build friendships, fraternity.
For countless people around the world, those values are especially visible on the football pitch.
Here we go.
For the third year in a row, an international group of seminarians living and studying in Rome went from cassock to kickoff at this year's edition of the Coppa di San Paolo, also known as St. Paul's Cup.
Well, football, a bit like the Catholic faith, is universal. That's why we can have a World Cup. And so it's a way of actually linking people together from very different cultures. And unlike other kinds of ways of meeting, such as going for a meal or going for a walk or a trip, there's a real aspect of teamwork here, but also of pushing ourselves to excel and to compete in a charitable and healthy way.
The football tournament was organized by the Pontifical Scottish College and the Pontifical Beta College to celebrate fraternity, the joy of vocational life, and show the uplifting message of the gospel in the fun of the game. While coming from different countries and colleges, all players shared one thing in common: feeling called to give their lives to the church as priests.
It's actually hard to explain the first moment, but it was like a really strong desire, pull towards the Lord in the Eucharist.
I think the most important thing was the Eucharist. To think that Jesus Christ every day at the altar gives his life, his body and his blood to each and every single one of us to be united with us, and a priest gets to consecrate a piece of bread into the body of Christ is incredible, and to be part of that is incredible.
The shared desire to pray for vocations to the priesthood and values of sport gathered nearly 100 players, including seminarians and priests from 9 different colleges in Rome for the tournament. Before taking it to the pitch, the rector of the Pontifical Beta College, Canon Marcus Holden, led a moment of prayer.
Playing as well in my 50th year of life, thanks be to God for good health and past skills that I can utilize for this role. I'm playing as a striker for the Beta College team. Well, it's really to bring seminarians together from all over the world. We're in Rome and we experience this beautiful Catholicity. And so we've drawn teams from different colleges representing different parts of the world, really to come together in friendship. A lot of these guys study together, but to play together is important as well.
In many ways, as Pope Leo has stressed, sport is important because it reveals, forms, and restores the wonderful harmony between body, mind, and soul.
Always trying to get my brothers to use their bodies as well as their minds when, studying and prayer. A bit of physical running around, I think, is really good for you.
I feel like the unity of body and soul is more so kind of, it sounds funny, but I think it's more obvious when you're playing sports and when you're playing community team events. It's very Aristotelian, football. It's kind of this body-soul connection, which is a very strange thing, where we can kind of physically, it's almost like there's like a battle, but it's like a physical thing with like the spiritual element of friendship coming together.
Rector of the Scots College, Father Mark Cassidy, explained why the 7-a-side inter-seminary tournament can be an example of evangelizing through sport.
The strands of formation, there are 4 strands, and one, the first is human. You have to be human. So the idea of people having other interests, being people who are broad in their interests, it will appeal to others. We have to use every way of meeting people where they are. Sport is one, music is another, culture is another. People won't just come to church and be encountered. We also have to go and encounter them where they are, and sport is a great vehicle for doing that.
The competition and the odd slide tackle all came together to offer a witness to fraternity and vocational life within the church, and show how sport can be a place of encounter, not only with others, but also with oneself.